but unfortunately, he could not join because of his preoccupation. So I will be dealing with rejection. In fact, many points were covered by Dr. Santosh, but there are few points which I think from my perspective, I feel which are important. How to avoid rejection? If you are not submitting an article, you're not going to get rejection. Rejection, rejection, and rejection, it is a part of researcher or writer. 62% of published papers have been rejected once, so we are not alone. So you should not reject if you get rejection. Well-known rejection, well-known rejection from the history. In 1937, Nature rejected article on Krebs cycle by Hans, which was later published by Enzymologica, and I hope everyone knows the importance of Krebs cycle. Article on nuclear magnetic resonance by Nobel Prize winner in chemistry Richard Ernst was rejected twice before its publication in the Review of Scientific Instruments. So rejection serves two purposes. It proves that you have written up your work, may provide good constructive criticism used to write a better manuscript. There are three types of rejection. No reviews, so just rejected at the outset only, that at the editorial level. Criticism rejection, which Dr. Santosh have already highlighted. There are some criticism after peer review and the article got rejected. Near miss rejection, the paper was going to get accepted, but somehow because of ethical issues or whatever problem editor has found out, the paper got rejected. How many articles are rejected? Very common. 69% of papers would have been rejected at least once. Top journals have high rejection rate. Chargeable journals have low rejection rate, which suppose from my experience. PubMed index journals have high rate of rejection. Top 11 reasons for rejection, this have been highlighted by Dr. Santosh. So I will not go into all these things. How to handle rejection? Outright rejection, identify reason for rejection, not suitable for journal, give up, no chance of publication success. So if you give up, there is no chance. So you have to pursue further. If you identify that it is a fatal flaw, inappropriate to pursue publication, no chance of publication. So if you find that, you can submit some of the remarks which have been highlighted by editor. You can definitely make some correction and submit the review to the same journal, or you can find out the another journal for publication. How to handle rejection? Received rejection letter, read it, understand the decision, type of rejection, and respond accordingly. Even if you are not, even if you cannot submit in the same journal, it will help you to improve the manuscript for another journal. Handling rejection, comments. Paper is not acceptable in its present format. Revise and resubmit. If you have comments from the editor, the paper did not get a high enough priority, submit somewhere else. So journal is not interested in publication of your article. The study is interesting, but too preliminary. Revise and resubmit as a new article or submit somewhere else. The work is more appropriate for specialized journal. The journal is not going to publish your article, so submit it to somewhere else. The study lacks important controls, so additional experiment is needed for validation of data. So coping for rejection, be positive. Perseverance is very important, and keep writing. Prevention is always better than cure. So whenever you are writing an article, choose journal carefully, see its scope, visibility, importance of work done, read carefully instructions to authors and follow them, ask colleagues to critically assess your paper. Rules for replying to referees' comments, avoid rejection, respond completely, respond politely, respond with evidence, and respond promptly. Honesty is essential. Be honest about data analysis, additional data collection, references, conflict of interest. Always disclose your conflict of interest and foreign collaborations, and acknowledgement. If someone is reviewing your statistics, acknowledge them properly. So that's all from my experience about rejection.